So in this question we are given that we have 3000 bananas at one end, and at the other end there are 0 bananas, which is 1000 kilometers away, and we have to transport all the 3000 bananas from this end to this end using a single camel. And we are also given that the camel cannot carry more than 1000 bananas at a time and eats a banana every kilometer it travels. What is the maximum number of bananas that can be transferred to the destination using only a camel? So we have only one camel, and the camel eats one banana per kilometer while it is carrying the bananas, or it is not carrying the bananas. So it is given that whether the camel has bananas on its back or it doesn't has bananas on its back while returning, it needs one banana per kilometer to eat. So what is the what we have to give the output? So the output that we have to give is the maximum number of bananas that can be transferred to the destination using only one camel. So if we try to take 1000 bananas at a time, so maximum capacity of camel is 1000. So if we try to take 1000 bananas at a time from here to here on camel, so what will happen? The camel will take 1000 bananas and will reach here, and till it reaches here, it will eat 1000 bananas, because it is 1000 kilometer, and for every kilometer it eats one banana, so it will eat 1000 bananas. Okay, so 1000 bananas, after eating there will be 0 bananas left at this end. So when the camel will go back, it requires one banana per kilometer, but now the camel doesn't have any bananas, so it cannot go back. What we have to do? We have to take the bananas in parts. Like first let me erase this. So what we can do is we can take 1000 bananas at a time, and after 1 kilometer we should drop those 1000 bananas here. Okay, so after taking 1000 bananas and dropping here, it will eat, suppose this is 1 kilometer, it will eat one banana, and there will be 999 bananas here. Okay, so at the time of returning, it will take one banana, and it will take one banana from here, and here it will be 998 bananas, and it will eat one banana while going back. It will again take 1000 bananas. So after taking for the first time, after taking 1000 bananas, here the bananas left will be 2000. Okay, so now again camel will take 1000 bananas from here, and here only 1000 bananas will be left, and camel will eat one banana from here, and again here we will have 999 bananas after camel reaches here second time. So here 1000 bananas are still left, so the camel will go back and take one banana from here, and it will be 998 bananas again, and it will eat one banana while going back, and it will take again 1000 bananas from here, and it will reach here and deposit 999 bananas here, because it needs one banana to eat. So let me show you what will happen here. So first we have 3000 bananas here. This gap is the first kilometer. Okay, so this is for the first kilometer. What will happen here? We are with 3000 bananas. We will go 1 kilometer here, and camel will take 1000 bananas on its back. It will require one banana per kilometer, so it will eat one banana from here, and we will be left with 999 bananas. Now the camel will take one banana from here and go back again, because here we are left with only 2000 bananas, and at the time of going back, it will take one banana from here. 998 bananas will be left, so that it can eat one banana when it moves for 1 kilometer back. So from here what will happen is it will again take 1000 bananas from here, and we are left with only 1000 bananas. We will go back with 1000 bananas. Now again we are left with 999 bananas, because we need to feed our camel with one banana per kilometer. So again again here we can see that 1000 bananas are left, so we will go back again, taking one banana from here, and after taking one banana from here we will be left with 998 bananas here, and it will take 1000 bananas on its back and come here. So again it will need one banana for moving 1 kilometer. So we are left with these number of bananas after 1 kilometer. So for traveling the first kilometer, how many turns the camel needs to move? So we can see that the first turn, the second turn, the third turn, the fourth turn, the fifth turn. Okay. So for the first kilometer, it is moving 5 times. Now let's see for the second kilometer. So we are left with 998 plus 998 plus 999 bananas. So here it will be 2995 bananas. So by intuition we can see that as here we have seen that the maximum capacity of camel is 1000 bananas only. So it can take only 1000 bananas at a time on its back. So what will happen again, the camel has to move 5 rounds, because every time it will carry 1000 bananas on its back. So I will show you how many bananas at a time it will take. So for the first round it will take 1000 bananas, for the second time it will again take 1000 bananas, and for the third time it will take the remaining 995 bananas. So again 5 times it is moving. So what does this 5 times shows? It shows that the camel needs 5 bananas to eat. Okay, again 5 bananas to eat. So how many times the camel will eat 5 bananas? The camel needs to eat 5 bananas as many number of times as there are more than 2000 bananas left on one side. Why? Because each time it will take 1000 bananas on its back, again it will take 1000 bananas on its back, so it will come back, even there is 2001 bananas this side, it will have to make a turn back to its original place and take one banana from here. So 5 bananas will be eaten till the remaining bananas that are left are 2000. So here we can see that we are with 3000 bananas, and we are traveling 5 times for x kilometers until we are left with 2000 bananas. So we can find the value of x as 5x is equals to 1000. So x will be equals to 200 kilometers. So what does this mean? Let me show you. So it means that from here, which is 0 kilometers, until here, this is 1000 kilometers. After doing this step, like traveling 1 kilometer and putting all the bananas here, and again traveling 1 kilometer and putting all the bananas here, again traveling 1 kilometer and putting all the bananas here. After doing all these steps, we will be left with 2000 bananas here, and this is 200 kilometers. Okay. Now let's see what will happen here. Now we are left with 2000 bananas. Again, let's see what will happen here. We are left with 2000 bananas. For the first turn, camel will take 1000 bananas and will eat one banana it is for 1 kilometer. For every kilometer I am showing. For 1 kilometer it will eat one banana, so we are left with 999 bananas. Again it will go back, again we are left with 998 bananas here, and again, so here we can see 1000 bananas are left. So what will camel do? It will take those 1000 bananas on its back and put it here, 999 bananas. So we can see that the camel is making, so here we can see no bananas are left, so the camel will not go back to this place. So we can see there are 3 turns for 2000 bananas, and by the same process we can see that 2000 minus 3x will be equals to 1000. So what does this equation means? It means that when we are until we are left with 1000 bananas, the camel has to make 3 rounds, and it will eat, or we can also say that till we are left with 1000 bananas, the camel will eat 3 times the distance, 3 times the distance it has traveled, because we are making 3 rotations coming from here to here, then again to the same place. So we will do this process until we are left with 1000 bananas, because after we are having 1000 bananas, we don't have to make 3 rounds, because these 1000 bananas can be taken from this place to this place in one go only. So we want to check that for how many kilometers this process is going to happen. So let's take y, because x was the previous variable. So we can say that 1000 is equals to 3y. So y is equals to, we want to take an integer. So what we will do is we will take 333 instead of 333.33. So for next y kilometers, so after next y kilometers, which is 333 kilometers, we will be left with 1000 bananas. Okay, now for every kilometer we can see that the camel has to make only one round, because it can because its limit is 1000 kilometers, 1000 bananas, so it will take 1000 bananas on its back and move 1 kilometer forward. So here we will be left with 999 bananas, again 1 kilometer we will be left with 998 bananas, and so on. Okay, so this total is 533 kilometers, and the remaining distance is what it will be 467 kilometers. Okay, so we are left with 1000 bananas, and we have to travel 467 kilometers. So we can see that we have 1000 bananas and we have to travel 467 kilometers, and we know that for every kilometer the camel needs 1 banana. So we will be left with 1000 minus 467, which is 533 bananas, which is our answer. So this was the question, and I hope you all understood this question. And if you want to understand this more clearly, you should watch this again. Thank you.